Hello there. So today I'll talk about Netcraft, a phishing protection. So first go to their website netcraft.com. Then you see like this interface. So here is some option. A demo, you can go by a demo request. Netcraft is an internet services company based in the United Kingdom which provides internet security services including cybercrime disruption, application security testing, and automated vulnerabilities testing. So what's the site running? Here you give a website name, targeted website name. So duet.edu.pk, it's a Pakistani university website. Netcraft sends the URL of the site in a verification server. Cracking the URL is not performed through a secure connection. So here is all the resources about this website. You can see here site, network, net block owner, domain, name server, IP addresses, DNS admin, domain register, name server organization hosting company, top level domain, DNS security extensions, hosting country, all the information you need, all the sources you can find here. Here is protection SSL or TLS. All the option is here. Public key algorithm, certificate check, signature algorithm, serial number, version number, protocol version. Another great source of information is Netcraft. Start by searching for your target in the what's the site running text box, as I can show starting the video. Netcraft will return any websites it is aware of that contain your search words. In our example, we are presented this website, and if any of these sites have escaped, it is important to add them to our potential target list. So certificate transparency. Here is the hosting history in my targeted website duet.edu.pk. Here you can see which operating system is running. Web tracker are third-party resources loaded, and here you can see also client side includes all the main technologies that run on the browser such as JavaScript and Adobe Flash. Technology PHP is supported and are running XML, SSL, a cryptographic protocol providing communication security over the internet. Server security. Attacking or assuming companies over the internet has changed over the years. It has shifted from accessing a multitude of services to accessing just a handful. The tools and techniques that we will discuss should give you a good understanding of the types of vulnerabilities that may exist on the web servers and within web applications. Here you can see client-side scripting frameworks or libraries. All the information, each and every information what you need to attack a website or web application, you can trace them by searching Netcraft. Here you can see how protective website is this. Character encoding. A character encoding system consists of a code that pairs each character from a given repertoire with something else, such as a beat pattern, sequence of natural numbers. Technology and description. Here you can see technology, another technology, doc type. So this is how actually you can track or gathering information in any website by using Netcraft. So in front end, the developer use CSS for styling sheet, and here is this information also. You can find each and every silly or large information about website, your targeted website, by using Netcraft. Any resources. So that's it for today. Hope you guys liked it.